Introducing the Sealey Mobile Multifunction Oil Station, the ultimate solution for efficient and organized oil change management. Designed for maximum workshop portability, the mobile oil station glides effortlessly around your workshop, keeping all your tools within arm's reach. Inside, you'll find 3 spacious drawers, packed with the essential tools needed for an oil drain and change. With a comprehensive 61-piece oil filter toolkit included, this station is equipped to remove all types and sizes of oil filters and sump plugs. The 5 oil suction probes make it easy to drain oil directly from most vehicle dipstick tubes, ensuring a clean and hassle-free oil change every time. Compressed air is used for both extracting oil with the vacuum system and quickly emptying the waste oil tank. The large oil catch pan keeps your workspace clean from spills and splashes, efficiently and cleanly collecting the used oil. The clear measuring tank provides full visibility of the extracted oil, allowing you to easily inspect and measure its level. With a generous 70-liter capacity sump tank, you can perform multiple oil changes before needing to empty, perfect for busy workshops or high-volume maintenance. The mobile multifunction oil station. All your oil change needs, conveniently organized, portable, and ready to work.